这个游戏就是拿纸，有2队，然后每一队要折出一个造型来，然后呢就放在那儿，然后回答完一个问题就往前吹你折的那个，这个就要看哪一组的这个东西一吹到那儿就。
This is start line.
吹你要。
This is finish line.
Okay, class, you have 3 minutes, 2 teams, Team Frank and Team Annie. You have 3 minutes to make a boat that's going to go from start to finish, and you're going to have to blow it, like just like that. Yes. So 3 minutes, quickly, go, go, go.
你讲嘛？
飞机。
我不知道飞机天。
You call this expert? You're expert designer.
小朋友，你正在折什么呢？
这飞机呀。飞机呀。
这位小朋友在折什么呀？
Can't even play it very well, but he's going to try to beat Nick in this competition. Let's see if he can do it.
Okay. Okay.
这就是折飞机的正确步骤。
Okay, everyone's done. Okay, start behind the start line. Where's the front of this thing? Is that it? Okay.
Wow, this one is beautiful. This one is so ugly.
So, shall we start?
No, sorry.
Oh my god.
Frank, no. Hold on, wait.
我先试。
So first, okay. Frank, what's this?
Ladder.
Ladder. Okay, you can blow once. Ready, go.
Once.
Okay, very good. Now Nick. What's this? Leaf. Okay, now you go one. Very good. Okay, Frank. What's this one? No. Wrong. It's L la la la.
La.
Okay, now you blow again. Okay, it's the second one. Nick, what's this one?
刚才什么来着
Ladder. Okay, now you can blow the second
你
time.
完了。
Very good. Okay, now Frank, what's this one?
Wooden.
Log. This is a bad picture. Log. Okay. Ready, go. Oh no! Only one. You didn't quite make it past. Okay, Nick, what's this one? L.
La.
Very good, Nick.
这个怎么吹？能手换调个
Yeah, you can move it. You can turn it.
It's not fair.
Wow!